Hello! So today I'm going to show you some beautiful dolls from Hazel Village. This will be added to my playlist for shopping small business. They are absolutely beautiful dolls. They're handmade and they have sustainable practices for packaging and for the dolls themselves. You can learn more about it on their website, which I will list down below, as well as they have a really cute YouTube channel too. So I'm going to show you the things I got. I got a doll for me and a doll for my daughter so that we could play with them together. And every couple of months, actually it might be every month, they have new clothes and new accessories and all kinds of things like that. They have a beautiful book that has the story of them in it. They're just an absolutely wonderful toy maker. And I just love beautiful handmade toys for kids. I feel like there's just not enough of it. So anyway, let's get to it. This for sure is clothes. And so this is the first little thing. It's a cute little book. It tells all about the dolls in it. And tells about how the dolls are made and why you can feel good about shopping with them. They do have an actual physical store in New York, in Brooklyn, which is really cool. And then they always give you a little postcard. So I've gotten 2 postcards, one when I ordered her stuff and then one when I ordered mine. And cute little board games. So then this is the other postcard. And then if you get a clothes collection, they put them in these really nice wooden boxes. So we'll get to the clothes here in a second. I wanted to show you the dolls first. And their YouTube channel is really fun. It always shows, like in the shorts, how they wrap up the dolls. And they come in these little bandanas that are really cute and fun. So this should be, I believe, my daughter's doll. So this is the cat. And her ears. Oh, she's so cute. Her ears are going to need to be fluffed up. But I believe her name is Gracie. Let's see if it says. No. And you can actually have the dolls embroidered with the child's name, like where they will embroider them on their little chest. That is very cute. So, yeah, I think her name is Gracie. Her cute little tail. And then here is the bandana. It's like a game. And it's all cotton. Super cute. Okay, so this is my doll. My daughter just had her, it's actually her 11th birthday today. Although we did celebrate it a couple of days early. But yes, it is absolutely, she's right on the edge of becoming a young lady. And I just wanted to have this last chance to play something with her. So they dressed my doll. Oh, how cute. They put her hat that I got her on it. See the little top of her hat? And then her dress. So she's an owl. Oh, so pretty. I didn't even realize this dress had the little flower detail on the... Oh, so cute. I'm going to take off her little hat so you can see her head. So they have a boy owl and a girl owl. And most of the animals are like that, where there's a boy bear and a girl bear and, you know, all those things. Bunnies, mice. But so this is the owl lady. She's so cute. Look at her little feet. Oh, goodness. So I won't have to show you this dress because there it is. And it is the mushroom foraging dress. Okay, so to the clothes. Even their tissue paper is really cute. So they make a beautiful gift for so many reasons, but it's just, you definitely won't have to wrap anything, and that is wonderful. Okay, so check out these little sweaters. Oh my goodness. So that's the first little sweater. And I just picked some cute pieces that I thought her and I could just mix and match on our dolls and share the clothes. There's the mushroom sweater. It has a little button on the back. Oh my goodness. And then this little dress has buttons at the top. And it's like a very faint little pink and white check. And then this dress I thought was so beautiful. It has like little blueberries on it. And there's an Etsy seller that makes a little crown that is blueberries. So I will get that later on and make a separate video to show you her shop. But it will perfectly match this dress. And then this one was super pretty too. The fabrics are all sustainable too, and I believe like hand dyed as well. So here's the back of the dress. Okay, so those are the pretty dresses and sweaters. And then to open this box. And I wished I had gotten 2 of these boxes. I'll have to get another one in the future so we can each have one to put our clothes in. So here is the little beret hat. And it has holes for their ears to come out of. I thought that one was really cute. Matches a lot of the other things we have. That dress and the sweaters. Here are little pants with pockets, and they are corduroy. They go on like that, and you can fit their tails out the back through that. And then this shirt I felt was super cute. It could also be like a little jacket too. And then a white shirt that's got the white shirt you can kind of wear one of 2 ways, either in the front with the button or turn it around and put it like that too. And then the last piece of clothes, I thought these were adorable. These little forest green overalls. Here they go down like that. And they feel like they're linen. A lot of these pieces are linen. I think they use linen and cotton exclusively for the clothes. They also make dolls that aren't animals, that are like little babies, like children. So if you're interested in one that's not an animal, I will link all their information in the description box below. And like I said, it'll be added to my playlist for natural toy shopping and for shopping small business, which I believe in so much. And I wanted this video to go out before Christmas, so you might have a chance to get one of these dolls before Christmas time if you have a child in your life, or maybe even for yourself, because I will be playing with these with her and I can't wait. They are just so collectible and so incredibly cute. So thank you so much for watching today. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season. Take care.